And if we did that, we got a good risk to reward ratio, which is 1:10 or 11. And let's see, we got our target or not. Yeah, we got our target again. Hello everyone, welcome to the Stratex path. Today we will going to understand about a strategy which is hammer reversal trading setup. This is a very popular trading setup and many traders used to trade with this strategy almost every day. So without any further ado, let's learn this trading setup. Okay, to apply this strategy, we need to understand a few things. See, I draw two candlestick patterns. First one is red and the second one is green. You might think the both candlesticks have different colors. That is why both candlesticks are maybe different. But if I tell you this both candles are same, or you can say almost 90% same, then yeah, you heard it right. For this red candle, if you see, market opened here and came all the way down, but buyers came and pushed the market up again. Almost 70% of the body eaten by the buyers. If you see this green candle also, you will going to notice the same scenario. Market opened here, it came all the way down, and this time the market was dominated by the sellers, and suddenly buyers came and pushed the market all the way up and closed here. So though the candles have different body colors, but the story is almost same. So that is why we will going to find this kind of candles on our chart, and we will going to take the trades if we see this kind of hammer candlestick patterns. So let's jump into our real chart. So here I opened my favorite chart on my trading platform, and now it's time to choose the actual time frame. So from this portion of the trading window, we can select the time frames. I will going to choose 5 minutes from this area. If you don't see this kind of options here, you need to click on this little arrow and choose 5 minutes from here. Or if you want to trade on different time frame like 1 day, weekly or hourly, then you can choose these time frames also. But for this strategy, I will going to demonstrate this strategy on 5-minute time frame. So let's click on it. And as you can see, our chart is now opened on 5-minute time frame. Okay, now try to find our hammer candlestick patterns. You might think this is also a hammer candlestick pattern. This is also a hammer. This all are hammer candlestick pattern, you might think, but that's not true. To find our actual hammer pattern, we need to apply one tool on our trading chart, which is Fib retracement, or you can say Fibonacci retracement tool. Click on it, or if you can't see this option here, you need to just click on this arrow and you will going to see the Fib retracement here. Click on it. Now, if you draw this tool on an empty space like this or this, you will going to see lots of lines and numbers are here, which is not required for us. So what we can do? We have to just click any of these lines, double click on it, and you will going to notice a dialog box is opened. Now we need to just keep this 0, this 1 and this 786. Except that we need to uncheck every boxes like this. See how I am doing? You need to just uncheck other boxes and keep only these 3. Now I have to modify this and delete its 8 and 6 number. So we will left with the 0.7. Now click OK. And now you can see our Fib tool is now modified. We left with 1, 0.7 and the number 0. So we need to find a candlestick pattern like this, which candle's body will going to finish within this 0.7 and 1 box, and its body should came all the way down to the 0 line. So we need to find this kind of candlestick pattern to trade for a long setup. Now let's remove this and let's find this kind of hammers. So let's check whether it is a good hammer or not, or we can take trades on this hammer or not. Here, as you can see, the candle body is not closed in between these 2 lines. That is why this is not going to be our valid hammer. Let's check this. No, same scenario. Body is closed inside the box, but total body is not inside of these 2 lines. So that is why this is not going to be our valid hammer. Let's find another. Whether this is a valid hammer or not, let's check it out. No, this is also an invalid hammer for us. Let's find Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, this one is a valid hammer. That is why we can take a long trade here. Let's delete this line and let's take a long setup here. Our stop loss will be our previous swing low here, and we will going to aim for 1:3, but our stop loss got triggered. Nothing to worry. We need to just keep finding our valid hammer, whether this is a hammer or this is a hammer or this is a hammer. Let's check it out. Flip tool. Let's draw it. No, the body is larger than this box. Whether this is a valid hammer or not, let's check it out. Yeah, this is a valid hammer. You can see the body closed between this 1 and 0.7 line, and the wick came all the way down to the 0 line. So this is a valid hammer. Let's delete this flip tool and take one long trade here. Our stop loss will be our previous swing low, this one, and we will going to aim for 1:3 or whole day hold. Let's find if we got our target or not. 1:3, yeah, and we got our target. See, we entered here, our stop loss was here, and we got our target, and we got 1:3 RR ratio. If we hold this trade for whole day, as I told you, we are doing intraday. That is why we will going to hold for whole day, or you can say whole session. And if we did that, we got a good risk to reward ratio, which is 1:10 or 11, which is wonderful RR ratio to sustain on this market. Okay, let's see on our previous day whether we got any valid hammer or entry setup. Is this a valid hammer? Let's check it out. No, this is not a valid hammer. Is this a valid hammer? Yeah, as you can see, its body closed in between this line. So this is our valid hammer. So delete this flip tool and try to take at least 1:3 by setting the stop loss on our previous swing low. And we will going to aim for 1:3, minimum 1:3. So this is our 1:3. We set our RR ratio. And let's see, we got our target or not. Yeah, we got our target again. If we hold this trade for whole day, let's check it out whether we got a good amount of percentage or not. Yeah, 3 p.m. we got our target like 1:3.89, or you can say almost 1:4, which is a great RR ratio again. As you can see, we are targeting at least 1:3 and maximum the whole day hold. We got 1:11. Here we got 1:3.89, or you can say almost 1:4. So these things matters a lot, because as you can see, we are giving one part to the market and taking 11 part or 4 part from the market as a form of profit. So see how a single candlestick pattern can give us a beautiful RR ratio as well as beautiful profits. So I hope now you know how to trade hammer patterns on intraday charts. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.